I'm going to read the rules. Questions are posed to both schools. You can buzz in at any time while the question is being read for a maximum of 10 points for a correct answer, and a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. Questions will then be read fully and immediately passed on to the other school for a chance at a bonus worth 10 points for the right answer, and again, a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. So you have to be brave here, but also sometimes patience counts. So let's see how it goes. You can buzz in at any time. I'm going to start with the first question here. This quantities conservation is used in analyzing ballistic pendula, all of which involved an elastic collision that does not, yes.
Linear momentum.
Correct for 10 points. Great interruption. Great interruption. Second question. This man predicted the existence of tetraoxygen, or O4, and developed a rule with Merle Randall describing fugacity. In his paper, The Atom and the Molecule, this scientist developed the idea of covalent bonds. By this person's definition, boron trifluoride is an acid because it acts as a proton acceptor. Yes, the name.
Louis.
Lewis is correct. Yes. Question 3. This organelle contains structures that resemble coiled thread, called Cahal bodies. The movement of proteins and RNA into and out of this organelle, yes, KNUST?
Nucleus.
Nucleus is correct. Great interruption. Great interruption. Question 4. This person introduced Arabic numerals to Europe in his Liber Abeci, or Abechi, a book that also described a sequence whose successive ratios converge to the golden ratio. For 10 points. Yeah.
Leonard Euler.
No, I'm going to continue. For 10 points, name this mathematician whose sequence is found by adding the 2 previous numbers to obtain the next.
Fibonacci.
Fibonacci numbers is the right answer. Question 5. This property originates in exchange interactions between adjacent dipoles, which self-organize into regions that can be imaged by Kerr microscopes. Those domains align under an external field and remain so when the field is removed, as shown in Hetrices plot. Though such ordering is destroyed above the Curie temperature. For 10 points, name this property of materials that generate a permanent magnetic field. Yes, Achimota School.
Dipole moment.
No. I finished the question. So care to try? No, I was looking for ferromagnetism. Ferromagnetism. Question 6. Consumption of large doses of vitamin C leads to kidney stones because A. In the body, excess vitamin C is degraded to oxalic acid, which combines with calcium in the kidneys to form the insoluble calcium oxalate. Okay.
A.
You're correct. Great interruption. Question 7. Treatment of tuberculosis normally requires a combination of several drugs taken over a period of several months to achieve total cure. The reason for this is that A. The cause of TB, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, divides very slowly and can thus survive short-term antibiotic bombardment. B. Mycobacterium tuberculosis divides very rapidly, and many daughter cells survive and multiply again during short-term antibiotic bombardment. C. All anti-TB drugs have very short half-lives in the human body, thus large doses have to be given over very long periods. Or D. None of the above. Yes, Achimota School.
B.
B is incorrect. KNUST. No? It was actually A. It divides very slowly, so it needs more time. Right, question 8. The following is formed in the stratosphere when the ultraviolet rays from the sun react with oxygen? Is it? Oh, okay.
Ozone.
The ozone layer is correct. Excellent interruption there. Question 9. Which of the following human senses develops first? Is it A, hearing, B, sight, C, smell, D, touch?
Hearing.
Hearing is incorrect.
Touch.
Touch is correct. The final question of this round. A viceroy butterfly looks like the monarch butterfly. The monarch tastes terrible to birds, so birds do not eat the viceroy butterfly. This kind of adaptation is called KNUST.
Mimicry.
Correct for 10 points. Right, that brings us to the end of the STEM round. I think a pretty good run by KNUST SHS. Let's see what the scoreboard is saying. Right, so at the end of the STEM round, Achimota School finished as they started, which is 0 points, but KNUST SHS 60 points.